For this next pattern, we're doing the promenade with the lady's underarm turn. And I'm going to start with the man's footwork. The man starts in the promenade, so we step slow, slow. Now here, I'm going to raise my left hand at the end of my second slow. I'm going to pass my feet for a quick, 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 quick. And now I'm going back into promenade, slow, slow, quick, quick. I'll do this one more time. I'm stepping slow, slow, raise the hand, quick, quick, and slow, slow, quick, quick. Now the lady, she starts with the promenade, and we'll go through this slowly, slow, slow. Now I talked about raising the hand. At this point now, Melina is going to turn. Quick, quick, and we go back into a promenade, slow, quick, quick. Let's do this one more time. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick.